Welcome to the XFO Intelligence Podcast, where we decode the signals of tomorrow. I'm Alex.
And I'm Ben.
It's great to have you with us. So today we're unpacking a powerful new analysis from our team, produced using XFO's proprietary Deep Augmented Thinking method, or DAT. And this method, it basically combines advanced AI with our top human analysts to find insights that, well, neither could alone. And the subject is a total game changer, the convergence of artificial intelligence and space technologies.
Right.
Specifically, how this fusion is creating some really transformative opportunities in a field they're calling Earth intelligence. Let's start with the basics then. What exactly is Earth intelligence? I mean, in simple terms, it's the science and business of using data gathered from space to understand and solve critical challenges down here on the ground.
Okay.
And according to our DAT analysis, this whole sector is on an explosive trajectory. The numbers are pretty staggering. The global EI market is valued at around $8 billion today.
Wow.
By 2030, our report projects it will more than triple to over $26 billion. I mean, that's just a massive wave of innovation and capital flowing into this space.
So what's fueling this fire? It's a perfect storm of two forces. First, it's become radically cheaper and easier to get our eyes in the sky. Yeah, think about it. Not long ago, launching a kilogram into orbit cost, what, $25,000? Today, with companies like SpaceX, it's under $1,500. This has enabled these vast constellations of small satellites to image the entire planet, sometimes daily.
But having thousands of eyes is one thing. Making sense of what they all see is, well, it's a whole other thing.
Right.
And that's where the second force, AI, comes in. It's the brain. These machine learning algorithms, they process petabytes of raw satellite data, far more than any human team could, to find these meaningful patterns. From a single diseased tree in a massive forest to a subtle shift in a glacier's movement.
And that's what makes this so important, right? It's all about turning that fire hose of data into actionable wisdom. Exactly. Our analysis broke down where the biggest impact is. Let's start with climate monitoring. That's a sector projected to be worth $12 billion by 2030.
Oh, a fantastic case study here is a company called GHGSat.
Okay.
They use AI to analyze hyperspectral data from their satellites to pinpoint specific methane leaks from industrial sites.
Wow.
I mean, we're talking about spotting an invisible, climate-warming gas leak at a single facility from 500 kilometers up in space with over 90% accuracy. That is a superpower for environmental accountability.
It really is. And next, there's precision agriculture, an $8 billion market. This is all about moving from guesswork to pure data science on the farm.
Right.
A giant like John Deere now integrates satellite imagery with AI right on their tractors to prescribe down to the square meter how much fertilizer or water is needed. And the result, farmers can actually increase their yields by 10 to 15% while using fewer resources. It's a win-win.
And it's not just fields, but our cities and infrastructure too. That market is projected at $6 billion. Okay. Using a technology called synthetic aperture radar, which, get this, can see through clouds and at night, AI can detect millimeters of ground subsidence around bridges or dams, giving us an early warning of potential structural failure.
This technological fusion is also spawning entirely new business models. For example, parametric insurance. Imagine you're a farmer in a flood-prone area. Right. Instead of a claims adjuster taking months to assess damage, an AI just analyzes the satellite imagery. The moment it confirms your fields are flooded, your insurance payout is automatically triggered. It reduces the whole process from months to hours. And it's becoming crucial for ESG and compliance too.
Yeah.
With new laws like the EU's deforestation regulation, a company literally has to prove its coffee or palm oil didn't come from a deforested area.
Right.
And Earth intelligence provides that transparent, verifiable proof from space.
Of course, there are hurdles. Our report highlights challenges like standardizing data from different satellites, the high computational cost, and the crucial ethical questions around privacy. But it also points to solutions, things like AI-driven data normalization and strong anonymization protocols.
Ultimately, what we're seeing is a fundamental evolution. We're shifting from simply describing our planet to actually predicting its behavior. We're on the cusp of having systems that can forecast crop failures, predict the path of a wildfire with stunning accuracy, and even autonomously task satellites to monitor a potential humanitarian crisis before it unfolds. It's as if we're building a real-time, searchable, and predictive digital twin of our planet.
Yeah.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. Beyond fixing problems, what is the single greatest opportunity for creation, be it in art, business, or human connection, that a true predictive digital twin of our world could unlock?